Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cooking on Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make Chinese black bean shrimp with asparagus. Place a large wok or pan over high heat. Add the oil, garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring frequently. In a bowl, mix black bean sauce, oyster sauce, chicken stock, cornstarch, white pepper, and mix well. Add shrimp and sauce mixture and cook for 2 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. The sauce will thicken and coat the shrimp. Add the asparagus and cook for another 2 minutes until the shrimp are pink and asparagus is cooked. Add Thai basil and cilantro. Cook for another minute. Enjoy this delicious shrimp dish with white rice. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.